In this video, I will show you how to remove powered by Big Cartel. So as you can see right here, when I scroll onto my site, I have in here this powered by Big Cartel. I want to remove that. So in order to do that, I just need to head over right here to my code. And then onto our code right here, we can see in here the CSS. So click on this right there. Now you can actually see in here my CSS. You can just head over and then locate the footer.html. So you can control F and find in here for footer. Now click on this next right here and then click on next until you can find the .html option. Now you can also find in here the powered. So click on next until you can find that particular one. We have in here this big cartel credit. What you can do is you can just select this part and then remove that right there. And also remove this one right here, which is the relative, and as well as this lockup. So remove all of those, and then from in there, just head over and click on done. So after you have done that, this will reload your site, and it may take some time for the changes to be saved. So just wait for that.